Is it taking?
Uh-huh.
There it is. Where are we?
Brockham?
This is the Brockham Bonfire with a Guy Fawkes on top that we can't see, but he's literally a blaze, and we've named him. What have we named him?
Willie.
Willie! Willie is a blaze, shortly. There's another one called Francis, I think, in there. So, happy Bonfire night, everyone. If only this was as easy as it was to cause the peace! Crowds, you can't see him, but it's awfully busy.
Is it?
He's got crossbones on him, man. Look, there he is, there, can you see? There. Get it.
Got him. You can see the guy. Bless him. He's about to toast.
Ladies and gentlemen, a young teenagers just text their dad they're lost. Your dad's going to the pub. If it was you to send a text to your dad, please go to the pub. The pub is...
Oh, we just missed that!
You just missed the firework display of the century. She was videoing and she just stopped before that started.
Oh, you missed it.
And then she couldn't get her hands together quick enough to start again, and she missed it.
Oh, smoke, you know, fake. Oh.
Is it videoing?
Yep.
Tell them what's happening.
Well, Guy Fawkes has caught fire, bless him. He's cooking nice little Barbie.
He's about to rocket up.
I think he will.
I think he will. I think it'll just go up into the sky and never be seen again.
We have another firework tonight in memory of Gemma. This is from Julie, Roy and Ben Howard. And a firework for Jenny, Andy, Jocelyn and Henry.
Big, isn't it?
It's very big.
Just say like that.
I think Guy's
The
officially
guy's
dead.
well awake.
He's gone.
Awake.
That'll learn him. It's nearly all lit. It's bigger than the church, look.
There's the guy right there.
Is that you pointing?
Yeah, I'm pointing to him. I still can't feel the warmth, can you? I can't. Mandy's sweating, but I can't feel it. She's in a bikini. Just so you know, watchers, Mandy's in a bikini here. I've got 3 coats on, 5 scarves, huddled to Richard for warmth, and Mandy's sweating in a bikini.
Oh, they're boring, these ones.
Wow, look at that. They're the best ones, aren't they?
Oh, I love those ones.